Hello, beautiful people. In life, no matter what phase you are in, there will always be some problems, some challenges, some hard times. That's how life is. And you cannot change that. You cannot play against life because it is always the one that wins. If you do play against it, you will suffer and you will waste your precious time. You will waste your precious energy. The more you hit, the more life hits back. Does that mean that you just let things as they are and not do anything? No, that's not what I mean. In fact, there are two main things you need to understand. The first thing I want you to understand is that not all problems are problems. Sometimes you face problems because you are the problem. Am I right? This means that when something difficult comes about in your life, you have to ask yourself about where it is coming from. You have to ask your life, is it because you are doing something wrong? If yes, then in this case, you are the problem. And you need to figure out how to get back on track and correct your mistakes. And then move forward armed with the knowledge of how to never make the same mistakes again. That is the way. The second thing that I want you to understand, which is also related to the first one, is that problems are not really problems. They are real opportunities. They can help you grow. Hard times and difficult circumstances are very useful tools that when used properly can change things for the better or even something more than just better. All those things are out there to show you what you need to work on